Rickstar Club 300 630 for billion 620 for million 500 6,601 plus 30 for billion 951,745,414. Thank you so much, Po.
Inspired when I watched Sir Dan Hard in his video from finding golds to jades. So, and I also inspired to Miss CJ and Puppy. So I'm looking for the buyer for all this uncutted jade fresh from the river, and you look, really, it's so beautiful. So I'm really looking for a buyer for all these fresh uncut jade fresh from the river. So I'm looking for really a buyer so I can buy the tools and equipment to start this kind of business. But if somebody can sponsor me, thank you so much. It will be it will be my honor, and it's helped me a lot. You look how green they are, but I don't know how to clean it and find it very shiny, but I don't know. So I need to study and learn it, how to start this kind of business. So I was looking for a buyer for this all kind of stone so I can start my business in this jade business. So I'm looking for the buyer for all my nice stone so I can buy tools or equipment to start this kind of business. So I will share my number in the screen. You can call me. Thank you so much.